Driving is a skill that requires focus, awareness, and practice. Yet, critical errors can happen to anyone, whether you're a new driver or an experienced one. In this video, we'll take a step-by-step approach to identifying and avoiding the most common critical driving errors. These tips will help you stay safe and confident behind the wheel. One of the most critical errors drivers make is failing to stay aware of their surroundings. This can lead to missed hazards, sudden braking, or collisions. To stay aware, keep your eyes moving, scan the road ahead, check mirrors, and watch for pedestrians or cyclists. Avoid tunnel vision by glancing at side streets, traffic signals, and crosswalks. Stay focused on the road, avoiding distractions like phones or loud conversations. Many accidents occur because drivers fail to anticipate the actions of others. Defensive driving is about being proactive, not reactive. To drive defensively, keep a safe following distance. Use the 3-second rule as a minimum. Assume other drivers may make mistakes, like sudden stops or lane changes. Slow down in areas with limited visibility, such as bends or intersections. Driving too fast or too slow for the conditions can lead to serious errors, especially in poor weather or heavy traffic. To manage speed, follow posted speed limits, but adjust your speed based on weather, traffic, or road conditions. Avoid sudden acceleration or braking, which can make your vehicle harder to control. Pay attention to sharp turns or uneven surfaces, where excessive speed can cause skidding. Failing to signal is a critical error that confuses other road users and increases the risk of collisions. To signal properly, use your indicators well in advance of a turn or lane change, about 100 feet in city driving. Ensure your signals match your intentions. Double-check that they cancel after a turn. Always signal even in low traffic areas. Assume someone may be watching and relying on your signals. Relying only on mirrors can cause you to miss vehicles, bicycles, or pedestrians in your blind spots. To avoid blind spot errors, always perform a quick shoulder check before changing lanes or merging. Adjust your mirrors to minimize blind spots, but remember they can't cover everything. Be mindful of vehicles and other drivers' blind spots, especially larger vehicles like trucks. Ignoring or misinterpreting road signs and signals is a leading cause of critical driving errors. To follow signs and signals, stay alert for stop signs, yield signs, and one-way markers. Pay extra attention in construction zones, where signs can change frequently. Treat yellow lights as a signal to slow down, not speed up. Critical errors can also stem from vehicle issues like faulty brakes, worn tires, or broken lights. To maintain your car, regularly check and replace your tires, brakes, and wiper blades. Test your lights, signals, and horn to ensure they work properly. Get routine maintenance checks to address small issues before they become major problems. Avoiding critical driving errors isn't about perfection. It's about preparation, awareness, and consistency. By following these steps, you'll become a safer, more responsible driver. Remember, every decision you make on the road impacts not just you, but everyone around you. Drive with care, stay focused, and always strive for improvement. Safe travels.